Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I hope all is well with each and every one of you all. I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with a share. If you all can remember, I did a haul on these beads right here. I did a haul on those and some pearl beads that was in a package. Well, anyway, y'all, I opened them up and I want to show you a pair of earrings that I have created from those two items. I just decided that since I just decided to put those two together. And I also incorporated some aluminum wire to go along with it, okay? So further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into these earrings. Here they are. These are pretty long. Like I said, they're made with the pearl beads, and then I added the glass beads up at the top and the bottom to give it a little dangle. I incorporated some aluminum wire here up at the top to give it something spectacular, something different, something unique, something that you've never seen before. So, so I wanted to just get on here to show you all these earrings that I made and created. It's been a long time since I've worked with simple beads. Simple beads meaning pearls, glass, gems, all that stuff. Lately, I've been working with a lot of wire, incorporating a lot of stuff in with my wire because I love working with wire. And I just wanted to show you all this pair of earrings right here. I am going to be making some other things using the pearl beads along with the glass gems. And I want to show y'all up close what they look like. This is what they look like. I got these from the Dollar Tree, but these are quality. Y'all have to make sure, see that? That's a quality stone, okay? So with that being said, I want to take the time out to thank each and every last one of you all, and it's not a stone, it's glass, for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. I will have more videos that will be up, that will be coming. I will be putting these in my shop soon. Sometime today, these will go in my shop. If you are familiar with my Instagram, I will post a picture on Instagram, and please go over, join me on Instagram. And once I put them in my shop, you will be the first to be able to go over, check them out, all that good stuff, okay? So I want to thank y'all for watching and taking the time out to view this video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone, and until the next one. And if you are new, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings. And until the next one, see ya.